everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. Today I'm going to do 3 of the projects using the Dollar Tree products that I recently got, and I made a haul on this one, and I wanted to make a project using these items that I got from Dollar Tree. And this has got like nice paisley pattern, the bowls that I showed, and I also got 2 more plates, a small salad plate and a bigger plate, the dinner plate. So I'm going to do like a tiered decor for this one, and I'm going to do like 2 bowls with the pedestals, and this is what I'm really excited about. I wanted to make a pillow with this dish towel. So this decor will go in my backyard porch decoration. So yeah, I'm very excited about this project, and the items that I needed is the plate and the bowl, and this is another set of bowl that I got from Dollar Tree. I think it's 12 per pack. So this would be like a pedestals, and this is actually one of the candle stand that goes in the tiered plates. So yeah, this is what I'm going to do. So without any further ado, let's get started. So there you have it, guys, our final result of all the three items that I wanted to show. And this is one of my favorite designs of the plates, because nice paisley design, and I love paisley pattern in whatever color it comes, and blue and white is the best combination. So yeah, decked I just kept the pedestal, and then the plate, the dinner plate, and then I had the candle stand, and then my salad plate. So this is how I'm going to decorate. I'm going to put some desserts or maybe like finger food. So this one is another one. This also, I'm very excited about it. Chips bowl, you can put chips and salsa probably. So this is the one that I'm really happy and excited about. Is this the pillow one? This pillow is being stuffed by this air packets. So when I saw this in the packaging stuff, see, this itself looks like a pillow to me. So I thought, like, why don't I stuff it in a towel and then make a pillow? So I stuffed 4 of them and I made a pillow out of this. Isn't that cool? And this is plastic. I didn't feel like throwing it out. And it's so cute. And I'm going to make another small pillow with other stuffings that I have around the house. So I just wanted to try how it will turn out, but it really turned out well. So this will be one of the decor pillow. Of course, you cannot use it because there's air, you know, if you punch a needle, this will pop out. So this is only for decoration purpose, you guys. So yeah, I'm very happy with this pillow. So that's a plastic, and we didn't throw the plastic, and we made use of it. So yeah, these are the 3 things I want to show in this video, and I'm very happy how they turned out. And I hope you will also try your hand on it, and let me know how it turned out for you in the comment section, and also let me know your suggestions and views and ideas that you want to see in my further future videos. So that will help me improve my channel as well. So yeah, so I'm very happy about all the things that I worked on this video today, and I hope you also enjoyed along with me, working along with me. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, like and share, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for me. Yeah, and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.